Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Me, the teacher of IYC school system. Today I will be teach you the class 7 social studies. I hope my all dear students, all of you must be fine by the name of grace of Allah. Which students are not listening my voice in proper way, please raise your hands. Which students, again I am repeating, which students are not listening my voice in proper way, please raise your hands. Okay, before take start my session, students please follow few instruction. Keep your rough copies, pencils, books with you. During lesson, if you feel any query regarding lesson, you will note down on your rough copies, and the last of the session you can ask your query. Students, during lesson, nobody student will be asked any question. After completion of title page, you will be complete the outline page. In this unit, we have 7 question answer, 2 are short and 5 are descriptive. Also, we have 2 activity-based question answer. So, in this way, in this unit, we will be complete about 9 question answer. Now we are taking start our lesson. So please open your book page number 18. Our topic is an introduction to the Muslim world. First of all, you will be see on your computer screen. You can see in the easier way the countries of Muslim world. Which countries are the part of the Muslim world, and how we can say what is the introductory of the Muslim world. The Turkey, Syria, Iraq, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, United Arab Emirates, Somalia, Republic, Egypt, Sudan, Libya, Algeria, Morocco, Senegal, Gambia, Ivory Coast, Mali, Niger, Chad, Benin, Tanzania, Malawi, Maldives, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Malaysia, and Indonesia are the part of the Muslim world. Now, student, on the page number on the page number 18, we are discussing about the why the Pakistan is in the independent country. Why the Pakistan is the independent country? Because we are Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, Parsis, Christian, and Buddhist live in the equal citizen. However, about 97% of the total population consists of the Muslim. That's why Pakistan is called the Muslim countries. Now, student, we are discussing why the importance of the Muslim world. You know, students, we will be discuss about the importance of the Muslim world. First of all, I will be tell you why anything is an important for us because of its quality, significance, speciality, and precision. Everything has some importance, like oxygen help us for human life. Because of oxygen, we are alive. Food give us energy, so food are important. Education give us knowledge, so education is also important. So everything which have precious for us, it all importance. So now we will discuss about the importance of Muslim world. Student, Muslim world have lots of importance among the world because Muslim world is full of wealthy natural resources like oil resources, gas resources, land resources, water resources, all minerals resources and the labor resources. Dear students, you can also watch on your computer screen and your mobile screens. You can see the oil and gas resources. Oil or petroleum is one of the most important matter sources in the world today. It is found in the great quantities in many Muslim countries such as Indonesia, in Southeast Asia and Iran, Kuwait and Saudi Arabia in Southeast Asia. Most developed countries import natural oil from these regions. Why the term Muslim world and Islamic world commonly refer to the Islamic community Ummah, consenting of all those who adhere to the religions of Islam or to the societies where Islam is practiced. The term Muslim majority countries is its alternative often used for the latter sense. Dear student, do you know what is the mean by the Islamic countries? An Islamic state is the political area usually a country there is which has Sharia law. It is basis for the government
Okay, yeah, that's what I was the
and social norms. It is often considered a theory. These countries have used Islamic law to define every area of government, including the constitutions. Everybody know that the oil and gas are play the very important role for any country prosperity because both things are the that the play the key role for the prosperity and both things are the cause of foreign exchange. Now my all student must be understand in the easier way to why the Muslim world is an important among the others countries because our all Muslim world is full of oil resources, gas resources, different types of minerals, labor resources, and other resources. Now we will discuss about the Suez Canal. So please open your page number 19. Student, in 1869 AD, a French company constructed a canal in the northern part of Egypt with the help of the Egyptian government. It is called the Suez Canal and it connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through the Gulf of Suez. The canal soon became very important to ships traveling from Europe to South Asia or the Far East, which includes Southeast Asia. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt, connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through the Basin of the Suez. It is often considered to define the border between Africa and Asia. So, student, you must be think about that. Why the Suez Canal built? A canal open to ships of all nations. The company was to operate the canal for 99 years from its opening. Also, this canal, at the time of the construction of the Suez Canal, the British and the European nations were ruling over the world. But the Suez Canal is playing the key role for the traveling of the ships. Now, students, we will discuss about the another topic, the land use. Everybody know that the Suez Canal plays a key role in the trade routes of the world, but not all journeys are made by sea even in this age of all travel. Land routes are still important. The countries of Europe, for instance, need the land routes of Turkey, Iran, Afghanistan, and Pakistan in order to reach India and other Asian countries of the East, these and other land routes make the Muslim world an important place for other countries. Students, we can understand that when if we have strong land routes, so our that all the agricultural activities, our political activities, our that the social activities can be go in the easier way. Land routes are play important key points for the Muslim world. Because of land routes, Muslim world trading are possible, and land routes also causes of the spreading of the Islam, because our past is full of how the Islam is spread by the land routes. Now, the another topic, the Middle East. We are discussing about the Middle East. Student, the Middle East is the name given to the Muslim countries of Southwest Asia, North Africa, and Southeastern Europe. Many of these countries have rich deposits of petroleum, which are not only important to the people of these countries but also the rest of the world. You are also watch the map of on your computer and cell phone screen, the map of the Middle East. Dear student, do you know the Middle East is a transcontinental region which generally includes Western Asia, all of Egypt, and Turkey. The term has come into wider usage as a replacement of the term Near East beginning to the 20th century. So the Muslim countries, the Muslim world have great land routes. Especially we have already discussed about the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal by the that the shipping by the ships traveling this canal transfer lots of goods in other countries. That's why these land routes are very important. Now, student, we are discussing about some the Southwest Asia. The region extending from Afghanistan to Yemen in Southwest Asia, including Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, Iraq, Jordan, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, and Yemen. But when you will be open your page number 22, in the Southwest Asia, in our book, only the three countries have some special significance regarding to the Southwest Asia, and they have most to be very important. Number one, Afghanistan. The capital of the Afghanistan is Kabul. You know, the Afghanistan, it is a hilly country. Afghanistan is no railway, no seaport. Some parts of the land in the south are fertile and vegetation is possible. Its total population is over 28 million, more than 99% of which are Muslims. But there are also small colonies of Parsis, Hindus, and Jews. All the people are living of Hindus, Jews are living here. Many languages are spoken. Many languages are spoken in Afghanistan, including Dari, which is very similar to Persian. Now, the second most to be very important country regarding to the Southwest Asia. This is the Iran. You know that Iran has special significance. Iran is special significance. Iran was called Persia until the 1930th. In the ancient time, it was a great wall empire. Cyrus the Great, George Emperor one also. were some of its most famous empire of the most of the population became Muslim in the 1920s. King Reza Shah started modernizing the country, but he was forced to leave the throne when his reform became unpopular. His son ruled for the many years, but was finally expelled by the religious leader Imam Khomeini, who introduced an Islamic government in 1979. The capital of Iran is Tehran. The official language is Persian, which was an important international language in the old days. Today, the most important natural resources of Iran are petroleum, oil, and natural gas. The population of Iran is about 77 million, most of which are Muslim. Iran is also a place of attraction because of its holy place, such as a tombs of Imam Isa in Mahat, where is the famous Caliph Harun al-Rashid is also born, and his sister Fatima Masuma in Gam, as well as in beautiful nature and historical place. Now we are discussing about the Turkey. Turkey was the center of the Great Ottoman Empire, which were ruled over the parts of the Asian Europe and Africa in the 16th and the 17th century. Later with the decline of the empire, most of the conquer and the regards this the freedom, and one of the time Turkey itself was threatened by the European powers. Mustafa Kemal Pasha saved it and declared it a republic in 1923. He was strongly influenced by modern ideas and declared Turkey is a secular state or a state where religion does not influence politics and introduced severe new concept. He was Ataturk or the father of the Turkish nation. Student, the capital of Turkey is Ankara. Its population is over 73 million, almost 99% of which are Muslim. Some Christians and Jews also live in the country. The official language is Turkish. The country is mainly agricultural but also produce important minerals. Now we will be discuss about the Saudi Arabia. Arabia Simultaneously, it has been one of the largest producers of petroleum in the world since 1938. When an American when an American firm started drilling oil in collaboration with the Saudi government. From 1974, the Saudi government started controlling all its petroleum business. The country's total population is over 27 million, all of which are Muslim, and the official language is Arabic. In the Islamic world, the country has a special significance to the scared cities of Makkah and Medina. Now, students, we are discussing about the the organization of the Islamic Conference OIC. OIC OIC. Now, please again open the page number 23. OIC. Please, now you can see on your cell phone screen. In 1969, the leaders of the Muslim world decided to form an organization to promote solidarity. The organization of the Islamic Conference OIC meets every 3 years, and its objective is to develop economic, social, cultural, and scientific cooperation between the Islamic countries of the world. My dearest student, do you know why the OIC have very important. So now we will discussing about the OIC work and why the OIC have special significance among the countries. OIC, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, formerly the Organization of the Islamic Conference, is an international organization founded in 1969. This organization about 57 members state with a collective population of over 1.8 billion as of 2015, with 53 countries being Muslim majority countries. The important points about the OIC: the headquarters of OIC is in Saudi Arabia in Jeddah. This OIC founded in 25 September 1969. Official languages Arabic, English. Members about 57 members state. Subsidiary International Islamic Fiqh Academy. Now we will be discuss about the objective of OIC. According to its charter, the OIC aims to preserve Islamic, social, and economic values, promote solidarity among member states, increase cooperation in social, economic, cultural, and scientific and political area, uphold international peace and security, and advance education, especially in the all fields. So, my dearest student, we have discussed almost that half today unit topic, and all topic will be based with the Muslim world. These topics we have already before than the discuss, so you can that think about in the easier way that all the topics on the part of the Muslim world. When we are discussing about the Muslim world, so in our mind, one word always come, that why the Muslim world have a special significance, because of Islam, because of Muslims, because of natural resources, because of our hardworking labor, because of agriculture countries, because of social values, because of our traditions, because of our roots, because of our relationship. So we can say that when we are, Alhamdulillah, the part of the Islamic world, Islamic, the main center. So Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, we are part of Islamic world. Pakistan is also a Islamic world, and being a Muslim, we are part of a Islamic country. Students, all the countries like Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Albania, Bosnia, Egypt, Sudan, Makkah, Medina, Tehran, Samarkand, Cairo, all these countries basically the part of our Muslim world, and the Muslim world significance nobody can be hide, because the Muslim world is the special significance because of its all qualities, all the specialities. Our Muslim world as an economic, social, and cultural are the base on the economic, social, and cultural base. One thing is very important in our Muslim world: our political system, our constitutions, our part of life, our daily base system. All things are based on our constitution, because the Muslim world speciality is the constitutions, and all the constitutions are also the part of the Muslim world. So, dear students, when the OIC built up, and the OIC developed, all the leaders of the Muslim world decided to form an organization that they are part of this organization of the Islamic Conference. And all the Islamic Conference members OIC meets every 3 years, and all the objective, again I will repeat, the economic, because you know that the economic, you know that when your Muslim world economics is better, so you are poppers among the world. All the world leaders must be afraid from the Muslim world because of your strong economic, because of your strong social and cultural values. Our agricultural countries also the part of the Muslim world, and when I will talk about the Pakistan, so the 75% of the population of the Pakistan also relate from the agriculture, and we are produce the best of our agriculture. You know that all the crops. So our scientific reasons, our Islamic values, all the countries' values, all things are the part of the Muslim world. Students, when we are discussing about the Muslim world, so we always say that the means that Muslims, where the Muslims are living in majority. Here majority means a group people who are in a large number than other group. This is why Pakistan is called an Islamic country and has a special relation with other Islamic countries. These countries are located in Africa, Asia, and Europe. You may have heard the name of many of these countries. Many of these countries, like our neighbors Iran and Afghanistan, are both Islamic countries too. Bangladesh and Maldives, about its studies in the sixth class, are also the Muslim countries. Saudi Arabia, where millions of Muslims go every year to visit the holy place of Kaaba, also an Islamic country. Students, you know that we have discussing about our Muslim world is full of natural resources like oil resources, like you know that gas resources, like mineral resources, like labor resources. So we are good luck persons. We are being a Muslim. We are part of the Muslim world, and our speciality, our cinephiles are also the part of the Muslim world, because our Muslim world is our identification, and our identification in our soul. Our soul is our Muslim world's voice. So, dear student, now today our discussions have completed on about few topics. Now you will take out the home task, the time of homework. You will take the screenshot after few seconds when four question will come on your screen, your mobile and computer screen. You will take the screenshot from now. First of all, the question number one will become on your mobile screen. So you will take the screenshot. The first question is, what is meant by the Muslim world? Why is it an important part of the world today? Answer. Answer. The Muslim world. The Muslim world is used to indicate all those areas of the world where Muslims are in majority and the government compares of the Muslim. The country comparison the Muslim world are rich in minerals and lie on important routes. Other countries of the world need to use the routes to travel from one country to another. This is why the Muslim world is an important part of the world. Now you will take the screenshot of the question number 2. What does OIC stand for and what are its objectives? Answer. In 69, the leaders of the Muslim world decided to form an organization of the Islamic Conference OIC meets every 3 years, and its objective is to develop economic, social, cultural, and scientific cooperation between the Islamic countries in the world. Now the question number 3. Where is the Suez Canal located and what it is significance? Answer. The answer is Suez Canal. The Suez Canal. In 1869 AD, a French company constructed a canal through the northern part of Egypt with the help of Egyptian government. It is called the Suez Canal. The canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through the Gulf of Suez. It soon became very important to ships traveling from Europe to South Asia for East, which is into Southeast Asia, as they could now every save thousands of miles on their journey. Was truly a shortcut for all European ships sailing towards the east. Now we have completed today homework task.